do you want me to say to you? I want to speak with my lawyer.
Okay, you're going to need a lawyer.
Yes, you do. It's so scary, I don't know what to do.
Face down, hands behind your back.
On September 8th, 2023, the police officer in Charlotte County received a strange and unexpected call. The building manager of a local complex reported something highly unusual. A woman in a swimsuit was running around the second floor, yelling and causing a serious disturbance. She seemed erratic, paranoid, and out of control. The manager, unsure of what to do, quickly contacted law enforcement for help.
Yes.
I would like to know what the problem is, because I can't even get in my own pool. There was a dog in the parking lot.
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
You're going to go to jail if you don't open the door.
If you don't open this, you're going to go to jail.
I'm going to defiance, and I'm going to my lawyers. I want you all to calm down for a minute.
Unlock the door,
please. And I will unlock
please.
it for you.
Okay, go ahead and remove it.
Now,
Unlock it.
might I ask why?
Because we're telling you to.
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant.
Don't need one.
Why was that lady?
You're going to jail.
All right,
That's
you've
it.
been warned.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yep, so are we. Open the
Okay,
door.
what do you want me to do, baby?
Unlock
Open
the
the
door.
door.
Okay, are you going to arrest me?
Unlock the door.
No. Go get my lawyer.
Okay, now you just added a charge of resisting. Good
No,
job.
I would like to speak with my lawyer. The lady replied to the rules.
Cool. You just got trespass after warning and resisting.
I'm going to leave if it's all right then.
Yeah,
Yeah,
come on
you
out.
are leaving.
Come on out.
I believe that the hotel across the street tried to poison me over chlorining it. I tried to go there last night to run from the guy that I believe is a pedophile above my head. And then I was refused service at 2 hotels. I've never been in this hotel. I say to myself, I'm going to go
Room
to the pool,
326.
enjoy the pool, then go about all this city freaking business that I still have to do because my aunt has just died.
Man, would
So
you
now
unlock the
I
door,
have to try
please?
to make sure that my money from my grandfather that she took illegally from me is secure. Is that?
I can't talk to you through the door. Would you unlock the door, please?
I don't want y'all to rush on me.
No, we're not going to rush on you. You open the
You guys
door.
just were like, la 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 la.
All right, well, da-la-la-la-la-la, open the
Well,
door.
that's a big deal to some people,
All
okay?
right, well, da-la-la-la-la, open the
Just
door.
like something getting poisoning.
Unlock the door, please.
Sir, I'm just asking. I told you guys about Wilson's
Okay, just
thing that was closed.
remove that lock, and we'll talk further.
Well, might we go outside so that I can...
Yeah.
I think
Step
that
on
sounds
out.
like an excellent idea. Why don't you
Step on
unlock
out.
that door?
I'm trying to compromise with you guys.
Okay, well,
you know how scary it is being in my position? My mom is
Yes,
dead.
ma'am. We're in a
My
compromising
stepdad is
mood.
a
Go ahead and
billionaire.
open that up.
I'm trying to get to my own business, and there is so many.
Would you unlock
people
the door,
like there was a
please?
gold hoop in the floor.
We're getting a special
Now, I
key
haven't
for that
called
door.
the
If we have to use that,
investigators
are you going to open it
so
or not?
what might be occurring?
Okay, he's already gone.
Officers quickly arrived at the scene and found the woman, later identified as Helen. They knocked and ordered her to open the door, but Helen refused. Instead, she shouted back, demanding a lawyer and completely unwilling to cooperate. She told officers she had been denied service at a nearby hotel and even accused people of trying to poison her. Her statements were erratic and confusing, suggesting that she may have been experiencing some form of paranoia or emotional distress. Because she repeatedly refused to open the door, she was charged with resisting arrest after using 2 stun guns.
I don't know. What do you want me to do? Keep forcing the blonde on me? Because she looks like a
Blonde?
psychopath. That means she might be. It isn't her. Sir, calm down, and I'll give you a second. Just
You
calm
gonna
down. You don't have to break in the door. Just
Apparently
calm
you
down.
do.
Just chill. I'll open.
Unlock it. Here we go.
Look, man, what do you want me to say to you? That's.
Fantastic.
I want to speak with my lawyer.
Okay, you're going to need a lawyer.
Yes, you do. Sir, chill the fuck out, yo. You are an abomination. And who might y'all be? Age, weight, number, motherfucker. How many of us have you fucking done? Oh!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir, I will. I apologize. It's so scary, I don't know what to do.
Face down, hands behind your back.
Please, I'm not anyone. I'm just someone's daughter
do that.
Thank you, sir. I apologize. That was horrible.
14 Central, one large lady tase.
Please don't do this to me, you guys. Look at the blueprints.
Copy, 922.
All right. Go ahead and sit up.
I'm so sorry. Might I have this?
Hold on.
Where's your wallet?
My wallet is in my...
Is it in your purse?
I believe it's in my beach.
Beach bag.
Yeah, I brought it with me. Imagine if I hadn't. I'm sorry.
God, it's a flashlight.
That was horrible.
You requesting this?
No.
You need one of
No.
Might I have this for the neck?
Have you taken anything today?
No, sir.
Because you're a little on the extra side.
I'm just going through something really hard. And when I went to the place where they were supposed to solve it, they were more concerned with Ty McLeod than they were with helping me get to the therapist. Now, I did get to the therapist, but the mental health ladies, they don't cover under the judge. They flutter around like they can do whatever they want. And it's very hard when that happens, especially when you've paid.
You live right down the street on Rampart. Why are you here?
Because that guy lives above. It's like this weird thing with my aunt
314,
and the
copy
babies. So I don't want to get hurt, right?
1990.
Ow, fuck.
All right.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what to say. I didn't
Well,
mean to
the
resist.
easy answer is, hi,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you? My name's
Thanks for
Cassandra.
the-
Right?
Yes, sir. That's
That's
my.
all you got to do.
I'm sorry.
Instead of struggling and being all slimy. Right?
It smelled like urine.
I think the bed's all nice and made. All right. So, you will be going to jail today for trespass after warning.
No,
and
I asked her who she was, and she didn't tell me who she was, sir. I'd like for you to rethink it for a moment.
I don't even think anything.
Can I please go to the BHU and calm down? I finally got my hair untangled, and that's where the judge asked me to go. I had to ask him 3 times for an MHE, not a psych. So I don't know where they were going to put me, but if they shaved my head, I was going to freak out.
She is negative on fidelity. I do show her on probation or supervised release status for an offense of possession of methamphetamine. Special conditions being no bars.
$1,000, and the therapist was more concerned with McLeod than with getting the information across to the
Copy, thank
therapist. I was able to go after I got out, so I must have been able to say something. Because they've been shaming me since I got here. And you know, like, it's hard to find private investigators. I asked for the private eyes number. It takes some days.
What's that? What do you think?
I'm going to make it the defects today. But I don't know what I'm going to do about my house. What about the pedophile and all those other pedophiles over there that I got pushed into instead of being able to, like, be with McLeod?
You have your,
I had to wait for a year to prove to Miss Connie, my doctor,
You,
why in the pen I didn't
you don't
have
have
the
mustache with
sleeping
you.
pills
No.
that I
Where's
needed.
mustache?
She then took me on a brain draft of a brain-changing drug instead of just a drug that puts
Would you mind
to
standing
sleep.
up? Would you mind standing up for me? We'll get you some shoes. You get your little sandals there, and we'll
Might I
walk
put on
out. Okay?
some-
Even after Helen tried to defend herself with 2 stun guns, the officers were finally able to subdue her and gain control of the situation. But things didn't end there. Instead of immediately taking her into custody, police continued speaking with her, trying to calm her down. Helen began opening up about some deeply personal issues. She spoke about the recent loss of her mother and the financial pressure her family had been facing. These emotional topics seemed to weigh heavily on her, and it became clear that she was under serious psychological stress. She claimed again and again that she was being mistreated by the system, and insisted that no one had been listening to her side of the story. But after all, Helen was arrested and taken out of the building.
My stuff
Hey,
together.
hold still. Hold still.
I have a oneie in the closet.
Hold still.
No. It's just like a one piece. I bought it.
I'm not gonna be able to get that one out without.
I don't know if he's gonna be like. I don't know. Like, I'm gonna go to prison for 8 years if you guys take me off instead of being able to do my
I
business.
didn't do that to you.
Yeah, you did when you let Ellen sell me like a slave.
You're gonna stop in the car.
Can I have a cigarette, please, sir? Why is it my fault?
Stop tensing up.
I want someone to collect my property. Please bring
Stop tensing up.
I have $200 classes on
Stop.
goddamn bought so I can get into that fucking
me.
studio.
And you're gonna walk like
and
a
it's
grown-up.
my studio.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir, I do.
Do you
Yes, sir,
understand
yes, sir. Do I say no or what do you say?
Or right.
Can I speak to my rear while we're here? Mother? Why did you take food in? Got an apple with mine. I'm so sorry. The chlorine scared me. And they've been chasing me back and forth yelling. And then they've been chasing Ty around over that old man. I wouldn't have even seen the husband at all. All I knew was some guy messing with me when I tried to put my lock on my door.
Hey, buddy.
So I was just gonna walk. Please don't see me back. I can do it. But you guys have to move at the same time. Like when I told the therapist to try to help me with the thing upstairs. I guess, you know, it's a bank thing. Like what Susan was doing when she asked me to sign a quitclaim deed and then mortgage out. And she called my dad a loose cannon. But really, what kind of was it? He made her $700,000. He wasn't a dumbass. He was a good son. Don't you think that my little class ideals might make some good money?
That's right.
Well, the golden hoop on my mag light, that better not come off, because that didn't come in the building. I knew when she came out there to cause me problems, asked me what that lady was doing last night. Is there tulip in the lemonade? Maybe checking those things. No, taste it. I'm serious. So look at them berries down there. What do you think of a little scared?
Berries.
Yeah.
Berries and cream.
Well, what does lemonade taste like to you, sir?
Not berries and cream.
Berries and cream, berries and cream. The Marmalade Hill. VHSville. Please make sure I'm
VHSville.
not okay? I'm so sorry. It's really hard.
You got anything on you or in you or
Never
tucked
have
away?
a baby. We'll see.
Let me see. Fantastic.
And I plan to make sure they have
Does she
enough
still have
money
one in her?
for calls,
Yes.
not to be yelled at.
It's right up by the front of the right breast. I think we got one in the car. Yeah, hold on.
That's why I said it's drugging too. She swept my inside of the wing. Are they still in there?
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna get this other little probe out of you, okay? Alright, we got
Now you're not going to put no more probes in me, are you?
No.
Okay, because I did see a guy with his head shaved and a plastic probe in him. I don't want that to happen to my
Lean back.
life.
Lean back.
You understand, Fafavillian? Oh,
Rays are the ones that do the probing.
Got it.
that seat. I'm sorry, I didn't want
I think
you
that
guys
was
to
the
look
only
at
one.
There's another wire coming.
Lift
I
your,
know
lift
there
your
was
head
too
up.
much chlorine in there. I smoke so I can
Turn that way.
pneumonia. You can,
Turn that way.
You can tell it.
Turn that way. Nope, the other way.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Stop.
That one's gonna hear
Just keep your fucking mouth shut, right? We'll see. I'm sorry, it took so long to get there, and I don't have anyone to talk to.
After the intense encounter, Helen was finally escorted out of the building and placed into the back of a police car. Though she hadn't been officially booked at that moment, the situation was now firmly under control. Authorities confirmed that Helen would be facing charges for resisting an officer without violence due to her repeated refusal to follow lawful commands. She was also charged with trespassing after ignoring direct orders to leave the property from the building manager.
There's some up there in the room.
Well, I know that, but I thought 3 actually made contact. I don't know. I didn't see. It looked like one.
I deployed 2.
You deployed
Did
2.
you fire
I didn't
twice?
See it. I didn't see you fire twice.
Nope.
See you fired twice.
My first one
It was a
wasn't
little-
effective,
I fired.
so I fired the second one.
Okay.
It wasn't too bad, I didn't die.
Yeah, right? Alright.
It was a strange and unsettling case. What started as a simple disturbance call quickly escalated into a scene of emotional breakdown, confusion, and confrontation. Now, sitting quietly in the back of the police vehicle, Helen's story had taken a dramatic turn, and the legal process was just beginning. We hope you found this video interesting and engaging. If you'd like to see more real-life stories and intense moments caught on camera, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.